Hello, welcome everyone. Today in this video, we will start your chapter second, that is Microsoft Windows 7. As in the first chapter, we have studied about the operating system. Windows 7 is also an operating system developed by Microsoft. Microsoft is a company who has made a various operating system. One of them is Windows 7. It is most popular common operating system all over the world. Windows has simplified the task of managing data in a computer. The data in a computer is organized in the form of files and folders. So in Windows 7, Windows has simplified the task of arranging the data. That means the database is arranged in a very good manners, in an organized way. So to organize the data in Windows 7, we have to create some files and folders. Files, everything upon which we work are the files, and the folders are the place where we keep our files. So first we will learn about what is file. A file is the basic unit of storage in Windows that enables a computer to distinguish one set of information from another. When you use a program or application to do some work, you can save your work as a file on the computer by specifying name to it. As in the first chapter, we have studied about the application software. Whatever work we will do, we have to save that file. To save that file, to after making that file, that we have to save. So we have to put a specific name to it. So a file is the storage unit, the least basic storage unit, which we save after the completing the task in application software, and we have to put some name on that particular file. The file name consists of two main parts: the main file name and its extension. The file extension is of three characters. A file name extension is set of a character that help Windows to understand what kind of information is stored in the field and which application should open it. It is called an extension because it appears at the end of the file name following a dot. A file name can have up to 255 characters. So a file name consists of two parts. One is the file name, whatever file name is, you have to give the name. You can give the name by your choice, and the maximum character you can use is 255. And after that, a dot is there, and after dot, that is full stop. And we said in computer language, we said it dot, and after that, you have to write the extension. Extension is for the operating system to understand which file is it. If suppose it is a word file, it will be saved by doc. If it is a paint file, it is saved by .png. By that extension, operating systems open it according to it. If it is a .png file, it will open it in paint. If it is a docx file, then it will open in word. If it is a game file, then it will open it in a that particular game. If it is a .exe file, then it will install it in our operating system. So file extension will give the idea what kind of file it was, and according to that particular extension, operating system open that file. For example, in the file name myfile.doc, the extension is .doc. It tells Windows that this is a document file that can be opened by the program associated with the extension such as MS Word. If it is a doc file, that means it can be opened in document files. It can be opened in the software which reads the document like MS Word folder. A folder is like a file cabinet in which you can store files. If you put thousands of paper files on someone's desk, it would be virtually impossible to find any particular file when you need it. That's why people often store the paper files in folders inside a filing cabinet. Arranging files into logical groups make it easy to locate any particular file. Folders on your computer work exactly the same way. The folder not only holds file, but they can also hold other folders. Folder within a folder is usually called a subfolder. You can create any number of subfolder and it can hold any number of files and additional subfolders. Folders do not have any extension. They may contain different type of files such as document, music, pictures, videos and program, etc. So a folder is like a cabinet, like your almirah, in which you put different things. Suppose if you have the almirah, you are putting your books, notebooks, your clothes and various things into that particular almirah. So similarly in computer, a folder is like a cabinet where you put different files. Suppose you have your game file, you can put in it your videos, your music files, your document file. You can put any number of files in your folder, and in folder you can create a subfolder, and you can create number of subfolder inside a folder. So it folders helps you in arranging your files. Suppose you can create a specific folder for your videos and a specific folder for your audios file, specific folder for your document file, then it will be very easy to arrange them and it is very easy to find your file. All these are the advantages and or features of operating system on operating system is Windows 7. Starting Window Explorer. How to start Window Explorer? We can open Windows Explorer in two ways. Right click on the start button and select open Windows Explorer option or start all programs. This is the uh, steps to open your Windows Explorer. You have to click on start and all program, then accessories, then Windows Explorer. The windows the window of Windows Explorer is divided into two pane, left and right. The left pane displays the disk drive and the folders in a hierarchical order. The right pane displays the content of the drive folder that is selected in the left pane. So whenever you will open your Window Explorer, you will see the libraries, document, music, pictures, and videos. They are the two panes, left pane and the right pane. In the left pane, you will find these document, audios, videos, sorry, document, music, picture, and videos folder. And in the right pane, you will see the content, whatever the inside that particular folder. Viewing files or folder. How you can see your files and the folder? There are the various way to arrange them in your folders, and in the inside the folder you can arrange your files in different ways. First one is small icon view. In a small icon view, it displays your file and folder in a small icon without a preview of its content. The file name is the place next to the icon. So in a small icon view, there will be a small, very small icons of your file, and there will be a no preview of your content, whatever the inside it of your folder. And the file of the name of the file is place is the next to the icon, and at the bottom of that particular icon you can see the name of your folder, and the name of the file you can see on the right hand side if the folder is open. Medium icon view, it displays the file and the folder as medium size. Medium icon view, it displays the file and folder as medium size. it can giving you a better idea of the file content. So in small icon there will be a small icon, and in medium icon view the icons are little larger. In tiles view it displays files and folder as a medium size icon. It can also display the basic information of the file present, such as size and type. In tiles view you can see the size of that particular file, and you can see the type of the file, which type of file it was. And in the list view you can see all the file in a list, and you can find the file by the file name, and you can sort the file according to the list view, and it shows the content of the files. Detail view you can see the name and the type and the size, and whenever the last time we have modified that particular file or the folder, you can see in a detail view. Large and extra large icon view. In large and extra icon view, the icons are very large, that is very gigantic, and the files of these two very useful when working with the image and the video files. When you will use this view, large and extra large icon view, you can easily recognize the images in as in a small and medium icon view. You cannot see the files clearly, but in large and extra icon view you can easily check that what the file is. Content view. In content view, each file and the folder on a separate row along with their detailed information like date, modify, size, author, and etc. So it displays each file in a separate row in a content view, and all the information and the size, what are the sizes, everything is available in content view. Mm, can do the practical of this, and I will show you all this in the Zoom meeting. Thank you.